And he led me all the way to the line. It was perfect. Woo! Turning. Are you all right? What's that? Yeah, inside. Inside, yeah, we're slow. Take it easy. I don't know what that car's doing. I think he's going to turn left. Yes, very nice. It's actually a little bit cold. Man, if you rode here during the wintertime, you'd have to dress for it. It'd be freezing. How'd you do? Did you get fourth on both hills?
Not bad, huh?
Fourth. Fourth place is, yeah, that's not so good. Tell your wife I got fourth place. He's like, all right. Always room for, Dan always says there's always room for improvement. Especially with our crew. Riders up. Oh man, did you see Wang attack? And he got Wang attack. So he got Duke, or Locke to go. When he goes, he wins. And at first, Locke was smart. He was waiting. He wanted to wait for somebody to go so he could follow. But when he attacked, he countered. I just followed his wheel. I said, man, perfect. Now all I have to have a little bit left. That's a horrible hill. Perfect. I got him right at the end. Yeah, you ride the wheel. You never lead out a sprint. You'll never win. Unless you're due. Yeah, Duke could go up that hill with all four of us in tow and, just drop us off his wheel, no problem, all day long. Maybe you're sliding forward on the seat or sliding too far back.
Yeah.
Or did you lower or raise your saddle?